is coming in at this hour. Rape accused and self-styled godman Asaram, convicted in a minor's rape case, has once again sought bail from the Supreme Court on medical grounds. The Supreme Court will hear the matter on July 17th, agreeing to an urgent hearing on the bail plea. Asaram had previously been granted bail on medical grounds for treatment and was sent back to prison after the treatment concluded. Senior advocate D.S. Naidu, representing Asaram, submitted the following before the bench, comprising Justice M.M. Sundaresh and Justice P.B. Varale, saying that the 90-year-old Asaram actually suffered a sudden internal hemorrhage on July 8. Following this, he was admitted to the AIIMS Jodhpur hospital in critical condition. The lawyer informed the court that Asaram had been classified as a high-risk patient and required a blood transfusion. Well, joining us on this broadcast is my colleague Sambhav Sharma, who has more information on this. Sambhav, we are seeing yet another bail application from Asaram. His advocate has submitted a list of arguments. If you can take us through those details.
Well, absolutely. And the top court has agreed to urgently hear Asaram's medical bail petition and listed the matter for further hearing on 17th of July. Senior advocate D.S. Naidu, who appeared for Asaram in the Supreme Court, told the bench that the 90-year-old suffered internal bleeding on 8th of July. It was informed in the Supreme Court that Asaram was admitted to AIIMS Jodhpur in critical condition and was declared a high-risk patient, and that is why bail is sought. Asaram has approached the Supreme Court seeking bail on medical grounds. His counsel is submitted before the top court that Asaram required a blood transfusion and sought a bail on medical grounds. And remember, he had earlier been granted temporary bail on medical grounds for treatment and was sent back to jail after the treatment period ended. So again, rape convict Asaram has approached the Supreme Court seeking bail on medical grounds.
Right, Sambhav. And I also want to understand from you, earlier, like you were mentioning, there was a hearing 2 weeks ago as well, where the bail was denied by the Supreme Court. However, again, this medical ground reason has been given. And like you stated, the advocate has said in his plea that this is a patient which is of high risk and they require urgent blood transfusion, and hence this bail plea is being filed again. Sambhav, if you can hear us. I believe we've lost the connection over there with my colleague, but we'll move on to some other stories now coming in at this hour.